Yeah, I love jungle gyms. I'm not gonna like just drop your ass.
All right, bet.
All right, bet. To your knees. There you go. And now you gotta hold your weight. Can you hold your weight?
Yeah, I got it. Yep. 5.
Yeah. A little song.
So those are tough. Exactly the vision. Clean.
Yes.
Yeah, baby, you did this. While I write this, fell in love with the trap and I can't fight it. Trying to make $1 million out of selling like I might fit. I was finna quit today, but shit, I might hit.
What it do, fam? It's your boy TAXIPNG. Back at it again with another man. So today we are in New York, as you guys can see. We just landed, actually, and we just linked up with 2 of the littest models that we have. So we're about to go ahead and do a photo shoot, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys some poses. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit behind the scenes. Just vibe out with me in the city. We're gonna get a city vibe. As you guys can see their fits, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of their fits as well. And we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Hello. What it do? This is Fabio.
Nice to meet y'all.
Yeah. We made it, guys.
Y'all made it.
It made it out the group chat, you know what I'm saying? Like, and shit of that nature. Like, you know, the last time we shot, I said I was gonna come here, and guess what I did?
Now we're here.
Now we're here, you know what I'm saying? Now we're here, you know what I'm saying? The big old apple, you know what I'm saying? How are you doing, friend? Nice to meet you. Say what's up. What's your name? Olivia. Hello. Guys, this is Olivia. Yeah, we're gonna be shooting with both of them today. We're gonna have some fun. We're about to cook up, okay? We're about to cook up, all right? That's all I need to say. And yeah, it's life. You know what I'm saying? The background is life, you know what I mean? Like, you find where you are and you use where you are to your advantage. You see what I'm saying? Like, I see a monkey bar. I see a lot of shit where we're at right now, you know what I'm saying?
Like,
I see some things. I see some like, you know what I mean? Come on, I'm telling you. So, exactly, everything kind of goes together, and then she got a little thing, industrial vibes. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. Guys, so we about to go ahead and get straight to it. Look, I got my Sony, right? My Sony a7S III. I'm shooting raw, no flash, none of them vibes, I don't think, right? I'm gonna see what the vibes. I'm gonna try to play with some light leaks that are inside of here, and I'm gonna put my my indie filter on, my HNY indie filter. Them boys sent that thing out, so we're gonna use it today. And yeah, you know what I mean? I may or may not use the flash. I'm thinking about it. I got it. I might as well use that bit, ain't it? I'm gonna use that bit because I packed it, so why not use it? So I'm gonna use that bit. All right, bet. So I'm gonna use the flash, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my indie filter as well from them boys at HNY. They vibed out for that boy, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on there as well. Playing with them. There we go. It's magnetic, y'all, so it just pops right on just like that. I'm not gonna use my lens hood. I'm gonna take my lens hood off, because my lens hood be getting in the way sometimes while I be trying to shoot. Put this away, and then take my flash. My flash of choice, y'all saw when I was packing, but I used the V1. So I'm gonna take the V1 out and use the V1 today. And yeah. I'm gonna hook this bit to my person, so it'll be like that or some shit. But yeah, I'm thinking like real, like, even though our vibe is like kind of industrial, I'm thinking of real clean images, like clean images while getting some. Fab, do not get lost. Are you going to the, is that food? You about to go get a drink?
No, I'm about to get the dog.
Oh, okay, but I think you about to try to get a coffee or something.
That's a big mic.
I need to put an air tag on his ass, bro.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie.
Really
I'm thinking the exact same thing. That mic is ginormous. Type shit. You guys are on my baby now, you know what I'm saying? My new favorite tripod. All right, you guys, so right now I'm getting my stuff together, getting my lighting and everything, kind of playing around with that because I want it. I'm shooting 2 people, so I'm gonna go for f4. And then my ISO, I'm gonna go for 250, kind of chill around there with the lighting wise. And then I have an indie filter on here as well, so I'm gonna be cutting out some of that extra light. I'm gonna keep it zoomed in a little bit just to like make sure I can get all of them. And then I'm also gonna be using my flash that I have as well, which is my Godox V1 flash. Yeah, be using that as well with enslave mode, and it's gonna allow me to have a little bit of extra fun with this light, like that. Yep, I can go ahead and change the different modes. I want a bit of a manual, that extra flash, a little bit of play around with it. Yeah, there we go. Yes, yeah, it's already giving me the look that I kind of want already. Yeah. Oh, okay, I think I got my settings where I want them at. All right, guys, so I'm gonna keep my ISO at 640, my F at 4.0 because I'll be taking pictures of 2 people, and then I have it in Super 35 mode, so I kind of have it zoomed in. Like, if you kind of see, I don't know if you kind of see it a little bit, but I have it. Hold on, let me brighten it up for y'all. I could zoom it out and zoom it in. Yes, it's vignetting a little bit only because I have multiple indie filters on at one time. I do not recommend that shit, but I go in Super 35 so that way I can use it. It doesn't matter anymore. Oh, I'm fucking with it, yeah. I think it's good because you're holding it. Like, if you weren't holding it and it was on a tripod, it probably had to be different. That's cute. Y'all giving like workers. You know what I'm saying? Like the working class. You know what I'm saying? Like construction working class. I'm liking it. On some shit, right? There we go. Yeah, yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Hold on. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. I went up on my ISO, you guys. Playing around with a little bit more. Hold the top of. Oh, that's actually huge. Hold it. Hold the top of the pole, like kind of like that, and then like you kind of like come in close next to her on some shit as well. Yeah. You're looking that direction. You're looking that direction. You guys are crossing faces. There we go. Yes. There we go. Yes. There we go. Just like that. Yep. Yep. Just like that. Yes. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. Hard ass flick. Hard ass flick right here. Yeah, that's hard. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Yeah, that's hard. One more. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh shit. Hold on. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Yeah.
Okay, what is up, you guys? So I'm sitting here editing the video right now, and I just want to let you guys know that the reasoning that the vignette is happening is because I have multiple ND filters on, right? So I had 3 ND filters on at the time of shooting, and I had a double bracketed ND filter, which basically is like double the size of one ND filter, and it goes up and it goes up and it goes up. So if you have a wider lens, so like for example, some people might not see 24 millimeters as wide, but 24 millimeters is pretty wide. So when shooting with a 24 millimeter lens, it's going to be wider, so it's going to see a lot more versus if it was narrow. So if I was shooting at 70 mil and I had all these ND filters on, it's zoomed in, it's more compressed, so you're not going to be able to see the blackening around those edges, right? So that's why it looks that way. But in order for me to get the look that I was going for, right, for the edit, like kind of like I'm thinking about the edit while I'm shooting, I'm thinking about the colors that I want, I'm thinking about what I want to pop out while I'm shooting. I wanted those oranges to pop, right, and I wanted everything else to kind of fall in the back, so I used all these different ND filters to kind of try to help me a little bit, you know, compensating for the harsh light. I had an ND filter on there, a variable ND filter with a CPL, right, which is a circular polarizer lens. I had a mist on there, which gave me like a little bit of mist inhalation from the lights. Then I had also a standard like lens cover, not lens cover, but a standard lens protector lens. Basically, it was like the scratch reduced ones. That's one I already had on there, and I kind of forgot about that one. So I was only supposed to have 2 extra ND filters on there, but I ended up having 3. But yeah, so that's really why it kind of came out looking the way that it did with the vignette. But I always kind of crop in on my shots anyways. I shoot wider than I'm supposed to anyways, because my Sony a7S III allows me to have 2x3 framing rather than 16x9. So I shoot a little bit more wider. I shoot the full frame. I want to use the entire amount of real estate that it gives me on my sensor rather than just cropping it into 16x9 and getting that longer shot. I like to get that wider shot. So that wider shot also will, you know, mess you up a little bit. Sometimes you might get a vignette if you have any type of lens filter on your camera and everything. But just want to let you guys know that that's where that vignette is coming from. I don't mind it because I crop it out and I zoom in more, and I keep my camera in Super 35 mode. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and watch a video on that, or I'll make a video on that. But watch it after this video, guys. Go ahead, stick to the end for me. There's a surprise. Yeah.
It's hard. Well, so you guys look up as well, and then you look up that direction, and I'm gonna split down the middle. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Yep. Hold it. One more. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now y'all both look down at me, kind of like you turn. Yep. Your angle. Yep. Boom, like that. Hold it. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Hold it. Yeah, there we go. Woohoo! Yeah. A little song.
Those are exactly the vision. Clean.
Yes. Oh, that's
bro, what?
That's fucking tough.
Come on, dog.
Yes, okay.
I'm saying.
Yes, girl.
I'm saying, bro. Yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. All right, let me see. I'm trying to think. I kind of like that chill. I kind of like how you're like chill. Ooh, I kind of like that. Don't move. Let me try that out right there. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's hard. Don't move. Hold it. Hold it. There we go. Look off that way like somebody just caught both of y'all on some shit. Yep, hold it. There we go. Bet. Can you like balance up there like you're like off the clock? You're about to have some fun on some shit?
Yep.
hole right here.
Let me see.
Hold your phone. What if I like sit in front of her type shit? It's like.
Oh, that's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. There we go. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Back. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Hold it. Yeah. Oh, stand like in front of her. Like block her shoes. Yeah, like that. And then yeah. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look away. Hold. Yep. Hold. Yep. Yeah, it's hard. Woo, bet. That's lit. And look at it.
That's tough.
Oh my god. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah.
And what I like about
Oh, your hands are dirty? Yeah. You have it?
I think so.
If you do, you're lit. And you're smart. For the reals, when I put these glasses on, I'm about to get hilarious. You know what I mean? I'm about to get hilarious when I put these things on. You know what I'm saying? That boy Tech Taxi about to make an appearance today. Yeah, the person y'all see on Instagram, this is him right here. Out of these glasses, I'm just Taxi. With the glasses on, I'm Tech Taxi. Yeah, I get real technical with shit. Let's do it.
I'm trying to see, like, how can I fall back without falling?
How can you fall back without falling?
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm about to
Fall and then just shift.
You gotta hold on to both poles.
Yeah.
I'm about to, like,
Yeah, you're trying to do it here before you do it there.
oh, I can't do it up there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just hold on to the pole and now shift all your weight back. You gotta really like hold it. It's body strength.
Ooh.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Are you trying to hang in your knees or how you trying to hang?
I don't know how to hang.
You gotta hang with your knees. That's what I'm saying. You gotta go all the way back. I'm gonna lead you. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna lead you. I'm not gonna like just drop your ass.
All right, bet.
All right, bet. To your knees. There you go. And now you gotta hold your weight. Can you hold your weight?
Yeah, I got it. Yep.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
Can you hold it or not? You want me to put you back up?
I can hold it for a while.
Okay, bet.
You gotta put me in this like position.
You vibing? All right, let's do it. Oh wait, are you dolo? Are you with her, or this is by herself?
What I'm doing it?
Aren't you getting up top? I don't know what you're doing. Get the fuck up there. This is recording. I'm like, bro, she's slowly dying, and you're just like, oh yeah, she made it. Like, yeah, she's dying, but like, what? Yeah, I love jungle gyms. And I yeah, you guys are hilarious. Love this. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's hard. Ooh, hold it right here. Don't move.
Want you to close up too?
Huh?
Close up?
I'm gonna get some close-ups. I got you. You know what I mean? I got you. Just don't die on some shit. There we go. Hold it. All right, bet. There we go. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that my lighting settings was right. Oh, this is hard. Hold it. I'm zooming in. Hold it. Hold it. Don't move. Angles is everything. Hold it. There we go. Yep. Hold it. Yeah. There we go. Don't move. I'm gonna get closer. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah, this is hard. Hold it. Ah. One more. Bet. You need help?
Yep.
I got you. You don't remember how you got up there?
Thank you.
Yeah, go forward. Don't go backwards. Now you're all good.
That was fun.
Bet. All right. Thank you guys. You know what I'm saying? Huh? What's up?
I do music, you heard?
You want a card? I'll give you a card.
Yeah, give me 12, whatever. I ain't trying.
No, you straight.
Hey, some music videos? Yeah.
No, most def. Just tap in. Actually, like tap in.
How the fuck you just? Like, I know it's your leg, but I'm like, do I really need? It wasn't that bad.
You say like, do you really need what?
I was trying to figure out like how to hang.
Like, I was
Oh yeah, you gotta like, yeah, because you thought that it was gonna go. Whoa, you thought it was gonna go quick.
Yeah, like my legs just hang. I was like, now you gotta. It's all in the.
It's all in the upper body. You gotta hold that bitch
Like, it wasn't as bad
and
as I
let
thought.
yourself down. You know what I
wasn't
mean?
as bad as
You
I
can't just fall down. Let me know if you guys like content like this. If you guys like when I take these day trips and travel. I'm leaving today. I came today and I leave today. So if you guys like content like this, I will create more content like this. Don't forget to share this information. Don't forget to share this video with a photographer or a model that might find the information or the poses in this video as helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga.